This Cook's Standard Multi-Ply Clad Saucepan, 1.5 quarts, is a game-changer for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Designed with a combination of durability, functionality, and modern aesthetics, this saucepan seamlessly blends into any kitchen. Whether you're boiling, steaming, or preparing delicate sauces, this product delivers exceptional performance. But what sets it apart from its competitors? Let's dive deep into the features, benefits, and why this saucepan is a must-have addition to your cookware collection. Unparalleled construction for lasting durability. The Cook's Standard Multi-Ply Clad Saucepan is crafted from 1810 stainless steel, a premium material known for its resistance to rust, corrosion, and warping. The saucepan's tri-ply construction integrates 1. An 1810 stainless steel interior. Ensures your food remains free from contamination, maintaining its original taste and nutritional value. 2. A durable aluminum core. Provides exceptional heat conductivity, eliminating hot spots and ensuring even cooking throughout. 3. A mirror-polished stainless steel exterior. Offers scratch resistance and adds an elegant touch to your kitchen. Heat distribution that outshines competitors. One of the most impressive features of this saucepan is its excellent heat distribution, thanks to the aluminum core. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or boiling pasta, the even heat ensures your food cooks perfectly without burning or sticking. This makes the Cook's Standard saucepan a versatile tool that saves time and energy. With its rapid and even heat distribution, you'll spend less time monitoring the stove and more time enjoying your meals. Ergonomic and safe design. Cooking should never feel like a chore, and the Cook's Standard saucepan ensures comfort and safety. Stay cool handles. Riveted solid stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed and stay cool even during high heat cooking. Secure fitting lid. The stainless steel lid traps heat and moisture, enhancing flavor and reducing cooking time. Pro tip: the sealed lid makes this saucepan ideal for recipes requiring slow simmering or double boiling, such as custards or creamy soups. Compatibility with all stovetops. This saucepan is a universal cookware champion. It works seamlessly on all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, glass, ceramic, halogen. Additionally, it is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to transition effortlessly from stovetop to oven for versatile cooking options. Ease of cleaning. The Cook's Standard Multi-Ply Clad Saucepan is dishwasher safe, saving you the hassle of manual cleaning. Its brushed interior prevents food from sticking, while the polished exterior resists stains, maintaining its pristine appearance. Key benefits and everyday use cases. 1. Perfect for small portions. Its 1.5 quart capacity is ideal for making single servings of soups, sauces, or reheating leftovers. 2. Versatile cooking options. Whether you're steaming vegetables, frying eggs, or melting chocolate, this saucepan covers it all. 3. Efficient for busy schedules. The quick and even heating ensures meals are ready faster without compromising quality. Why choose the Cook's Standard Multi-Ply Clad Saucepan? Investing in quality cookware saves time, energy, and money in the long run. The Cook's Standard saucepan stands out for its durability, made to withstand high heat and frequent use. Versatility, suitable for a wide range of recipes and cooking styles. Ease of use, ergonomic design, and dishwasher-safe construction. With these features, the Cook's Standard saucepan is not just a tool, it's an essential part of your culinary journey. Conclusion: this Cook's Standard Multi-Ply Clad Saucepan, 1.5 quarts, is a standout piece of cookware that offers exceptional quality, versatility, and performance. Its durable tri-ply construction, featuring 1810 stainless steel and an aluminum core, ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting reliability. Whether you're an amateur home cook or a seasoned chef, this saucepan simplifies your culinary tasks with its ergonomic design, stay-cool handles, and secure fitting lid. Compatible with all stovetops and oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers unmatched flexibility in the kitchen. Additionally, the dishwasher-safe feature makes cleanup a breeze. Its sleek, polished exterior adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, proving that functionality doesn't have to compromise on style. If you're seeking cookware that blends practicality, durability, and style, the Cook's Standard Multi-Ply Clad Saucepan is an investment you won't regret. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and experience the difference in your cooking today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.